What's up guys, this is JinSam. Finally, today we'll make perfect sentence with verb go and preposition to and plus something else. I will show you something else little later. So we practice first. Okay, let's begin. Basic places we've already studied. House, convenience store, toilet, airport, school, company, hospital, coffee shop. So Korea, right? So I just put subjective at each word. So you need to use that subjective with that place with go to. So I will just help you. First one. Here we can see I, right? So that means I and go to house. In Korean, 나는 집에 가요. You understand? So second sentence, you go to convenience store. In Korean, 너는 or polite form, 당신은 편의점에 가요. Third one, toilet, which means he go to toilet. Actually, it goes to, right? But it doesn't matter, right? He go to toilet. In Korean, 그는 화장실에 가요. Next one, she go to the airport. 그녀는 공항에 가요. They go to school. 그들은 학교에 가요. Company. We go to company. 우리는 회사에 가요. Hospital. I go to hospital, right? 나는 병원에 가요. Okay, coffee shop. They go to coffee shop. 그들은 커피숍에 가요. Or 그들은 카페에 가요. Last one, Seoul in Korea. She go to Seoul. 그녀는 서울에 가요. She go to Korea. 그녀는 한국에 가요. Good job. And next one, we're gonna combine every one with time word.